This is the evening batch, Mr. Ashish, Divanshu, Mohit and Amit. What we are going to discuss?
Today's our topic is Indian village is our weakness or strength.
Okay, so Indian villages are our weakness or strength. So let's start, Amit.
So, as per my view, I like village, and India is a agriculture dependent country, and village play a most important role in the agriculture sector. So, I think village is our strength.
Okay. What will you say on this? Please say your village.
According to me, sir, villages are the strength of India because villages are the backbone of India. Most of the food crops are grown in villages. That's
Cultivated in village only.
cultivated in villages and
Only the
that's what-
villages. We cultivate the villages. We can't cultivate anything in the city. In
Yes, sir. That's why the village provide us food. So
Yeah.
according to me,
This is-
villages are the strength.
Divanshu.
I like also village that because we can get fresh vegetables and we cannot get any mixed product from in the
Okay,
village.
okay. From the village. Mohit.
I like village, but
You like village? Why? Why do you like village?
because in village when I go there I can enjoy there with my family, and in family I have grandfather and grandmother and stuff.
Okay, okay. So what is the name of your village?
My village name is Chabra.
Where it is?
Which is near Kota.
Near Kota. So when did you go last time?
I went there last time in a year ago.
1 year ago.
1 year.
So we are discussing about the villages are strength. So will you mention some points why villages are strength of India?
Because the villages are provide some vegetables
Like he said, and food, and he said. Okay, mention some other points.
some other points. Villages the villages have a pure environment, and they
Pure environment like what?
like cold,
Are you talking
cold
about-
air, ठंडी हवा,
Okay, fresh air, some
fresh air.
Pollution free.
pollution free. Okay, okay. What else, Amit?
And as we all know, India is known for its spirituality, and by the village, our spirituality reflects.
Reflects. Yeah, spirituality comes from there.
And India is well known for its traditional and
Culture.
culture for because of these villages.
And the village people are very kind-hearted and
Kind-hearted, right?
utility. They have utility.
Yeah, and we can see the real beauty in the village only. People are very fake in the city also, you can buy. But we are living in city. Are we fake? We are not fake. We are not fake. But at least we belong to the villages only. And
They
we
are connected to village.
yeah, we are all connected with the village.
They don't shy to say anything, and they don't shy to speak and ask.
Ask anything. They are clear-headed person we can find in the village only.
And in villages, many people are honest,
Honest, okay.
and they,
But what do you mean? In the city, people are not honest?
some people
Okay.
in this generation are some people.
Some people are
honest.
okay, okay.
In city.
Anything other points?
Yeah, in village, every family nurture their cattle, and they consider their cattle as a family member. So it shows the spirit of humanity, which is not seen in the city.
Yeah, yeah. In city only we don't have cattle,
Yeah.
but they have people have pets.
Pets, but they have pets only like dog, and they only show spirituality and
On this point, one thing came.
yeah.
I heard somewhere also that यदि गांव के लोग गाय भैंस इनको पाल लेते हैं तो उनको गंवार बोलते हैं, लेकिन शहर के लोग कुत्ते बिल्ली ये पाल लेते हैं तो उनको पढ़ी लिखी बोलते हैं. Do you have anything to say on this point? Why?
Yeah.
Whose mentality is this? गांव वाले बेचारे जो हमें दूध गाय हमारी माता है उनको दूध देती है, भैंस वगैरह जो सब कुछ दूध प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं, एंड उनको पालने वालों को हम गंवार बोलते हैं. एंड जो मैंने जैसे कहा कि कुत्ते बिल्ली पालने वाले को फैशन बोलते हैं और पढ़े लिखे बोलते हैं. What do you
Yeah,
say?
because if one who nurture cow buffaloes, they make their most of time in caring of them, and it consume lot of time in caring them. And in city people have no time to take care of their cattle, so dogs require very little time to taking care and
Little time. All the time they have to take care of a lot of things.
in comparison of cow and buffalo.
In comparison to cow and buffalo, I think this is not a perfect example because they are just they don't want to feel alone. Maybe that's the reason why they are.
Yeah,
Am I right, Kash?
only
According to me, this is such choti soch ho gaya बोलते हैं.
It's low mentality, orthodox mentality.
People don't think that the cows, buffaloes that uses in the field do agriculture and
But it's not allowed to be keep cows and buffaloes in city. Not allowed with the it's not allowed also.
there is no
But on this, the point I said that people say the Gamar to the people who has cow and buffaloes, the mentality should change. Like Ashish is saying, it's only the few people says. Okay, so definitely the villages are straying.